Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the Gerber Vital Folding Pocket Knife. This is one of those interchangeable blades that you can easily change the blade. This is about how big it is here. It's very small. It's got this nice clip here. It's made by Gerber. It is very much sturdy and reliable, just like all of their gear. One of the things that I love is that it has this nice orange to it, so that if you're out in the field and you wind up dropping it, or if it's at nighttime, it's easily able to be picked up again. Like I said, it's foldable. We'll go over the specs in a minute of how long the blades are, but it folds out, and what you have is you have small blade. Everything on it works perfectly. Everything on it works perfectly. It's a little bit dirty right now. We just got back from the field and these small blades work perfect. It doesn't add any weight to your pack when you're out there. We went through 3 different cow elk, changed this blade out 6 times, and we still have 1 to go. It comes with extra blades. This is what the blades here look like. Just razor blade, stainless steel, pretty much surgical blade. One of the things that I liked about this Gerber knife compared to some of the other knives that are on the market that have the interchangeable blade is that this one is a lot easier to change. You basically just hit that button right there and you pop the blade off, and as easy as 1, 2, 3. I have a couple of other different ones, and one requires pliers and another requires a kit that came with it. I was amazed by this one, how easy it was to change that blade, and basically you just push that button and then pull up and off, and there you have it. So you have that blade, you have the replacement, and then to put it back on, you see it right here, that you see it right there, that is what catches the blade to make sure it doesn't come off, and then that button right here. And so you have this notch that's actually in the blade, and then you can see how it's notched out. So when you pop it on, you're just gonna push that button, put the big end into the notch, slide it in. It locks into place right there, and then you are good to go. Like I said, it has this nice clip so that you can either carry it like your EDC knife, or put it on your pack, and it doesn't weigh anything. Another thing that I like about it is that it has the eyelet here so that you can throw some 550 cord or whatever so that you don't lose it. Yeah, it's all fine. It's got the interchangeable utility blade. It's a lock blade, so it's not gonna go anywhere till you depress the lock right back here, and then you can just close it up, and then there you have it. So that's how small it is. We already talked about that highly visible orange rubber handle. Oh yeah, that was the other thing that I like about it too. It feels really good in your hand because of this rubber here, and it has a non-slip grip, so that when you are actually cleaning an animal and you're getting blood on your hands or mud on your hands or whatever, it stays put in your hand and reduces any kind of safety issues that you might have. And then also that interchangeable blade, the safety of that as well, because it's so easy to do. You're not fumbling around with pliers trying to hold on and pulling it out like some of the other ones, and then you can slip and cut somebody, your buddy that's helping you clean, or you cut yourself. And when you're out there, depending how far you're out in the woods, that could be a huge, huge, huge doozy. It does come with 6 replaceable blades and the number 60 razor blade, which is pretty much industry standard. What I like about this small blade as opposed to some of the bigger ones is because you can get in there and you can do some nice needle work while you're in there, like cutting ligaments, going through the joints, reaching up and in and around if you're like if you're going to be cutting the heart and the liver and some of the cold fat out. It's perfect for that, as opposed to having that big huge one. The blade on this is actually, it's small. It's perfect for that. I mean, they have the other ones that are you know, like 6 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 8 inches. This one actually is a 2.8 inch blade. So that's all it is that you need. 2.8 inches just for the detailed work. And overall length is 6.9. So once you open it up, the whole thing is 6.9 inches. And like I said, the weight on it is nothing. It comes in at 1.3 ounces. Yeah, it works perfect. The only thing is that it does not come with the sheath, but it's so small that I am able to add it into the sheath of my other larger one, interchangeable blade knife that I do have, and it just fits right in there. So yeah, this toolless blade replacement knife by Gerber is absolutely perfect and wonderful. That depressing locking button is a game changer. Really love that. With it coming with 6 different extra blades, then it's a perfect fit for you. So yeah, it's designed, it's engineered in Oregon, Portland to be exact, but it is made in China. But it keeps prices down and it's fairly inexpensive, and the blades are too. So there you have it. The Gerber pocket folding vital exchangeable blade knife. Y'all have a nice one.